Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And as promised, here's your Valentine's bonus read. Remember, I told you, at least my old subscribers, that I will maybe doing a Sunday special on Valentine's Day to check on your partner's energy to see how they're truly feeling about you. Whether you guys are together, sitting in the same room today, or you're miles or countries, continents apart, Leo, what's really going on in their heart space, okay? Especially on Valentine's Day, what are their true feelings about you? So here it is. Let's take three cards and check out their energy, and then we'll do some clarification and also take some dialogue message cards. And yes, Leo, today we will not be taking out an angel blessing card because I've already taken one out for you. All of you, this is for all of you here at the Omkara family. This is from the universe, the angels, and me here, wishing you lots and lots of love on Valentine's Day. Have a wonderful day. So let's begin now. So, my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my lions and my lionesses and send them the message that they need to hear from their partner today. What's really in their heart, in their mind, and how they feel about them. Thank you. So, Leo, let's take three cards. Bottom of my spread, I have the Six of Swords. They don't want to be in any kind of conflict with you, Leo, it seems. They just want peace in their life. They want to move ahead with you to a calmer and a happier space in their life. So that's at the bottom of my deck, okay? Knight of Cups, all right. Eight of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, they definitely are feeling very, very romantic towards you. They would love to come and romance you and say something, but it seems somebody seems to have walked away or walked off from the situation presently, but whoever this person is wants to put in work and wants to work on this connection once again, it seems. Let's see. Knight of Cups spirit. They want their partner to return. If you've turned your back on your partner, Leo, or vice versa, I don't know. Sometimes the energies do get flipped, so keep that in mind, right? This could be you wanting to take that love offer, but from what I see, somebody here really wants to come forward with some romantic offer. They want a return after somebody is maybe walked away. So one more card, spirit, for the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups, what's that all about? Yes, they don't want you to be defensive with them. They definitely want you to put their guard down. They want you to come back to them, romance them. They want to start anew with them. They want to have a stable new beginning with you. But who's this spirit who walked away then? Why? Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups. Somebody walked away because they didn't want to be in any kind of conflict. Yes. If there was any kind of trouble between the two of you, I think somebody was up in their head. They didn't want to get into a situation which would hurt them or break their heart. And I think this person is already, this could be you, already healing from something from a past heartbreak or something. And I didn't think you wanted to accept any offer that would tie you down or make you feel unhappy once again or create any kind of conflict in your life. And maybe you just stop talking to them. Maybe there's a little bit lack of communication. You don't know how this person feels. They don't know how you feel about them. So yeah, I do see a little bit of lack of communication going on, and somebody healing from the fact that they don't want to be in a stressful relationship. But I do see one Knight of Cups wanting to come towards you again, wanting you to lower those defenses of yours, return back to a romantic space with them, and start anew. Eight of Pentacles, spirit. Eight of Pentacles. This person probably realizes that you don't trust them anymore. They want to build your trust again. They want to put in the work now. They don't want you to hold back from them anymore. They Yes, they want to they want to send you this message. They want to send you a romantic message, a flirty message. They are, I think, trying to gather the courage to do it because they know that maybe you're upset with them, you don't trust them. They are hoping and wishing that you really wouldn't hold back. I mean, this is a message I'm getting in the entire spread, that somebody here wants you to release any guards that you're putting up towards them. They don't want you to, kind of stay closed and not trusting. They see you as somebody who has trust issues maybe, but they are willing to put in the work now and go slow and hold back. If they came on too strong, maybe they're saying, hey, listen, we'll take it one day at a time with this page quality and this knight character. We'll take it slow, we'll take it one day at a time. I will work on this, try and build this connection up once again. What's the Six of Swords? Six of Swords. Yes, message is the same, yes. Then they feel if they come on too strong maybe and offer you something really big, they're going to be rejected and pushed away immediately. Maybe they feel that you don't have trust in romance or love anymore and you're still kind of healing from some heartbreak. So I think this person is realizing that they have to come to you in small doses and consistent. They know if they suddenly come towards you with a big offer, they'll probably be rejected outright because maybe you have trust issues here, Leo. Well, Leo, this is the way maybe you are thinking, or maybe this is your partner that can flip, like I said. So let's take some messages from the heart, from this Knight of Cups. What do they really want, Spirit? What's in their heart? I will wait for you as long as I have to. Didn't I just say that? This person is saying, okay, I realize I can't rush this relationship immediately because this person is a bit guarded, they are being defensive, they are still healing from a broken heart, they get stressed out when I, come on too strong or something. They're saying, okay, now I'm going to work on it and I will go slow and I will wait if I have to, for as long as I have to. What I'm most in need of, you can't give me. Maybe they want it all immediately and they realize that they can't push to get it all straight away. I see my future with you. Exactly as I said. They want to, I think whoever this person is wants to immediately come towards you and want everything with you yesterday. Like, marry me, be with me, promise me you'll be my wife or my husband right now. But now they've come to realize that they can't push you. Because the other person is still healing from something and not trusting. So they are understanding, I can't push you right now, but yes, I see my future with you and I'll wait for you and I'll take my time because what I need from you is all of you right now and I know that you can't give me that. So they're trying to be understanding. So let's see if the feminine in this dynamic had to say something to the masculine here, what that would be. Feminine to the masculine, Spirit. I wish I could take back all the hurtful... No, sorry, this is... I've taken a wrong deck here. Sorry. We'll take this also later. But my intention was... the feminine. Okay. The feminine to the masculine here, Spirit. Feminine to the masculine. I'm embarrassed over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? Somebody wanted something in a hurry here. And the other person, I think, backed off and now they're feeling maybe they came on too strong. This could be either way, right? So one person is saying, I'm embarrassed as to how desperate I became and what I did. I hope you still respect me. Let's see what the other partner has to say to that. I'm not sure if you love me for me or who you think I am. One more. I've been hurt so badly. I don't know if I can really love again. See, wasn't that the entire reading? Somebody has trust issues, somebody is still healing from the past. And somebody wanted to start a relationship immediately. Maybe they were refused in the past, and now they're realizing that they'll have to put in some consistent work and build that trust so that they can get this partner. Let's take a true confession now. A true confession here, Spirit. Okay, there. Okay. Too many. One card, Spirit, as a true confession from Leo's partner. Just know that I'm sorry. Now you would know what your person is sorry for, Leo. Maybe they refused you, or maybe you are the one who overpushed and now you have to say sorry. I don't know. Let's take one more to clarify that. Soon as I plan on returning, hope it can work this time. So something didn't work, something went maybe too fast and the other person closed off, became defensive. Now this person is realizing that I have to build up a foundation here to get my partner, who I anyways know I want to spend the rest of my life with, but I'll have to play it slow so that I can earn their trust. So the partner is saying, soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time. Yes, they do want to return, they want to end something which didn't work out in the past and move this relationship to a calm and happy space. They are desperately wanting this brand new beginning. They maybe want to send you a message or something, but they are waiting for a return. They are wanting to come back to you, start something brand new. Yes, start a brand new chapter with you. Okay, Leo? So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.